Hey guys, welcome again to our new video. It's the same car 2011 BMW E90, and today we are replacing engine air filter on this car. So to do this, that's our engine air filter. To do this, we have to unplug our mass airflow sensor. We need a screwdriver to loosen this up, and we're gonna open it from here. And we need two 10 mm. We need a 10 mm socket to open these two bolts, and that's how you can pull it out. Then we're gonna remove this screw to open it up. So first of all, just unplug our auto sensor, sorry, mass airflow sensor. I'm so sorry. So to unplug this, you have to just lift that thing up and then push it back. It will come out. So once it get loose, you can push that thing back. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. You can use screwdriver to push it back, or you can just use your hand to. Oh yeah, it's already out. Now you can use small screwdriver to open this one from here. It's a rubber, so that's how you can push it back. Once it's done, you can use 10 mm socket to open this up. After removing this 10 mm, you can just pull it out, and yeah, that's pretty much. Now we have to open these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws. Let's see which one gonna work on that. To open this up, you need that type of thing. I don't know what size it is, but yeah, you can use that one to open this up. So after removing this, you can see your filter like this, and when you are looking at this, it's getting pretty dirty, and it's been 2 years, right? We are running this filter, so you can see the dirt inside, and you can see the dirt here too. So make sure we have to clean this one. So that's our new filter, and that's our old. You can see the difference. After cleaning that one, we have to put filter like this in it, and we're gonna cover it again. So like this, you can put your thing back, and you have to tighten every screw. So let's do it. When you're putting back, make sure that thing is properly on the line, and yeah. So just give me a second. Let me see. So that's the rubber. That rubber will go here. So when you are putting, make sure you put it properly like this. Yeah. So you have to jiggle a little bit to put it back. Make sure that thing will go in properly, and that thing also. So yeah. So we put everything back. We're gonna put the sensor back. So after putting this one back, you can use screwdriver to tighten this thing up, right? And then you can put 10 mm screw over there, and that's all. That's how you can change your engine air filter. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching me.